Let's talk how to land $1,000 to $10,000 plus clients using Twitter DMs without being ultra cringe with examples. I'm going to go through a bunch of DMs that I've done in the past that have landed clients, booked calls, etc. I've landed clients between, like I said, $1,000 all the way through $10,000 plus, all using Twitter DMs. I've built my entire business in the past 10 months through Twitter DMs. So I have a lot of insight and valuable information. So stay tuned and watch through the whole video. It's not going to be too long. So there are three main types of auto DMs. There's cold, there's warm, and there's hot. So we're going to start from the bottom. Hot DMs, this is when somebody DMs you and they're interested in your offer. So when I think of a hot DM, it's someone who they DM you and they're interested in whatever your service is. So your Twitter bio should be, if you look at my other videos, your Twitter bio should be optimized to have your offer or what you do or what you sell. So a hot DM is when someone just DMs you and they're interested. Simple, right? What you need to get more hot DMs, social proof on your pinned tweet, the clear offer in the bio. If you follow me, you know that I always have social proof pinned, whether it's a case study thread, screenshot of client testimonials, client results, etc. That's always going to be my pinned thread. You can go see it right now. I think my pinned thread right now, it used to be 100K a month case study. Now it's 500K in about 4 months, so a little over 100K a month from one of our clients. You can go check that out. This is a picture of my old bio because I did make this doc a little while ago. 1.4 million for info products on Twitter, and it has an agency website and my weekly newsletter. Now it's literally just my offer. And this is my old case study, but you can go check my profile out now. I'm at about 15K followers, and it's an updated case study with even better results, right? So my pin tweet is a case study, and it's one of our clients that we're doing 100K a month. My bio defines my social proof, links my agency website. My whole profile is branded around that offer to bring me more inbound DMs. So here's a hot DM. Hey, Marcos, somebody suggested I reach out to you. What's the best way to chat? Thanks. So the reason I have the person getting referrals to me is because I am considered that guy for Twitter, right? I don't say that to like to my own horn. I just say that because when you build your profile, you want to be considered that guy for something, right? Whatever it is. If you're a coach and you teach people how to close sales, or you're a coach and you teach people how to use AI, you want to become the AI guy, the sales guy, right? So that's how you get referrals, and that's how you get inbound DMs. If somebody refers you and then your profile is completely not about what your offer is, you might not even get that DM. So this is, again, just a hot DM via referral. Here's another example of someone responding to my auto DM. And a lot of you who might be watching this video, because just so you know, I just auto DM'd this doc. Next week, I'm going to auto DM the video going over the doc. So that's just a quick lesson on content repurposing. But if you're watching this and you got my auto DM, you know that after my auto DM, after I send the link to the video, I say, PS, high ticket coaches, course creators, experts, if you want to scale to 50 to 100K a month on Twitter, reply with info and I'll send you more info, or I'll send you more details, or let's chat, let's book a call, right? So I always have a call to action in my auto DMs. So here's just an example of an old one, right? 100K a month card. PS, high ticket coaches. If you want to use Twitter to generate 6 figures per month, reply Twitter. Let's chat. Someone replies Twitter, right? Boom. Let's book a call. They're interested. They've seen my offer. Book a call. Then nothing else needs to be discussed. Once they display interest, again, I want to get them a call as fast as possible. And once you have enough lead flow, you're going to run into DM limiting problems. And people don't understand this, but Twitter does have like a 500 DMs. I think it's unique DMs per day. It's always going up and down, but it takes you an average of 10 DMs to get someone to hop on a call with you. Try to get this number as low as possible to get to the point without sounding like a robot, right? You want to get to the point as fast as possible to get them on the call, right? So minimum amount of messages to get them to a call. So I recommend having a script that's 5 or 6 messages max that's going to get them to the call. And I say this because we had a client who we did the math, right? And they could get someone on a call in 7 DMs on average. So we actually mapped out how many outbound DMs their setter could do in any given day without getting locked, which then mapped out to how many calls we could book, right? So again, if you can do it in about 10, you could have about 50 conversations per day. And if you can do the conversion rate, yada, 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 right? Use these numbers to your advantage. So warm DMs, there's a few ways to take advantage of warm DMs. Automated welcome DMs, and there's a hyperlink here. I think it goes to like Hybo. Yeah, it goes to Hybo. Automated welcome DMs for your new followers, targeted DMs to new followers, targeted DMs to people who have engaged with you. So things like, hey man, thanks for the follow. Did you follow because you're interested in growing your Twitter? Did you follow because you're interested in monetizing your Twitter? Did you follow because you're interested in X, Y, and Z coaching program, X, Y, and Z course, etc.? Right? Get the ball rolling. Ask them if they needed advice. Did you follow because you were looking for advice on AI? Did you follow because you were looking advice on building an agency? Right? Get that ball rolling. Same thing with the like and the retweet. Hey, saw you liked my thread about how I built my agency. Were you interested in building yours? Hey, saw you liked my tweet, retweeted my tweet about AI. Were you interested in using ChatGPT for your business? Were you interested in doing some sort of lead gen? I don't know what your offer is if you're watching this, right? So I'm spitting all the different ones. So a quick example of someone who recently followed me and fit my ideal client avatar. Click their profile and website to see if they're a good fit for your offer. Remember, you are here to legitimately help people. Don't reach out to someone if you don't think your service or your product can help them. Every deal should be a win-win. I don't really subscribe to any of that everyone's a sale bullshit. So here's an example. Hey, thanks for the follow, man. How's coaching going with Twitter? And I genuinely help people, right? If you're watching this and you've had an interaction with me, you know I'm always just trying to help people. I'd say the majority of my conversation is just helping people that don't even get to a call, never mind a close. So actually do network, actually help people. That's really important. Be a human. It's human to human, right? Not B2B or B2C. So you can also continue the conversation from the timeline. And if someone responds to your tweet asking a question, you can then DM them the answer and then see if they're a good fit for your offer, right? So if someone replies to your tweet and asks you a question, you can answer on the timeline and give them a quick answer, but then you could DM them and have a long, drawn-out conversation. Twitter actually has voice notes now, so you could go and voice note, all sorts of stuff. And then cold DMs. So if you're an agency watching this, if you're a coach, course creator, expert, don't even worry about the cold DMs. I don't like that. But if you're an agency, this is bread and butter, man. Bread and butter for an early stage agency. I remember the first 90 days of my business, 10, 20, 30 DMs per day. So Twitter DM limit, again, 500, which means you can send up to 500 cold DMs a day, right? Assuming that nobody answers, but 400. Your cold DM should state your clear offer without being too pushy or weird. It's also important to optimize your profile, again, because when they click your profile, that's going to decide if they answer, right? So if your response rate is directly correlated to the social proof in your bio, website, and or pinned tweet, right? So they're going to see your DM, then they're going to click your profile, and they're going to click your website. And if it's not all up to speed, then they're going to be like, you know what I mean? You'd have to be congruent too. Be congruent. Don't just have a website that goes to some AI thing and then your offer in your bio says lead gen and then your header is you at the beach. No, congruency. If you go to my profile, the birdhouse, my offer, the birdhouse, right? It's all congruent. So be congruent. Here's what not to do. I receive DMs like this every single day. This one's funny because he just spelled my name wrong and like what? Number two, like, hey, are you open for a chat? Like, no, I'm not open for a chat. And how you doing? Like, what? Like nothing of the sorts, right? Like you're not, unless you're my bro, like don't DM me like, hey, how are you doing? I don't, you know what I mean? You get like 1,000 of these per day, especially as people grow. Like for me, I have 15,000 followers. I get DMs like this all day. You're not going to stand out. Here's our examples of good cold DMs. Do you use Apollo to get leads? I offer Apollo scraping for $29 per 10K record. So if you ever need leads, just let me know. I also have deals on Crunchbase and LinkedIn. I saw this and I was like, I don't actually need leads, but if I did, this would be sick. So that's the exact kind of DM I would have answered. Here's another one, straight to the point. You can read it. I'm not going to read through it, but I thought it was pretty good. Spacing could have been a little better. Like I said, would add spacing to make sure it's readable, but has the social proof, has the offer, and it's to the point. I like it. So this is one of the 5 cold DM scripts I used when I was trying to get clients back in February. So, hey, Mike, you popped on my feed a few times. Thought it makes sense to reach out. I'm looking for a few coaches interested in doubling their revenue generated from Twitter. Interested? If you're not, then it's all good. No need to respond. But if you're at all curious, let me know and we can see if it's a good fit. I will say I don't like the doubled anymore because like someone who's at like $1 revenue, doubling is just going to $2, right? So try to be more specific with your numbers. I ended up not using this script that much. I would change the offer. Everything else is good though. So going from reply to call booked. For hot DMs, ask right away to book a call. There's no need to waste time. And I still stick by that. If someone DMs me interested in my thing, I'm like, sure, man, let's hop on a call. Simple, move on. For warm and cold DMs, have a human conversation. Again, business is human to human, not B2B or B2C. If you think you can help them and they're your ideal client avatar, tell them that you have a few ideas and that you want to hop on a call to discuss. Never share your price in the DMs. And I got really good advice once that said everything is too expensive without context. Totally agree. Unless they're like really adamant about the pricing, give them a range. But other than that, never. And then going from a call to a close one. This isn't a sales video, but I use the closer method still to this day. I love it. I got this from Alex Formosi. and gym launch. That being said, hope this video helped. I tried to be quicker, but it's like 10 minutes, so I'm trying to get this over with. If you're a high ticket coach, course creator, guru, mentor, or expert, and you want to blow up your program, you want to grow to 50 or 100K a month on Twitter, DM me on Twitter at itsmarcusruiz or go to thebirdhouse.co. And that's all. Cheers.